Hey there everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have a Happy Mail suggestion for you guys. So I have another unboxing of a bunch of Happy Mail that I will link in the description box below. This is an embellishment box. Now, my friend Amy on Instagram, her handle is Mommy Meddling, and I'll list her down below. She does every month or every few months a secret sweetie swap. And so if you want to participate for the month, you email her and then she pairs you up randomly with someone else. And so this month, I had never participated before, but this month I decided I would. And I had never made an embellishment box before, and this time, instead of it being a secret, we got to connect and talk to our partner beforehand. And so my partner is Jessica, and her Instagram is the Mediumalist Mom, I think is what it is, and I'll link her down below. So this is what I sent her, and I'm filming this obviously before I send it off, and then I'll film what she sent me and unbox that here too, and then combine the videos together. So I decorated the top. She said she likes florals and pastels and gold and rose gold and sparkles and glitter, and so I tried to make it a lot of glitter and sparkles. And so I used some ephemera, Maggie Holmes ephemera, and this little trim to put the word bloom. And then to keep it closed, I have, this is a headband from the Dollar Tree, and I love using these around my planners. So like I'll stick it, this is my happy planner, I'll stick it like this. So I love using these headbands from Dollar Tree for that. I know you can like get these from the Happy Planner, but they're way cheaper to do it from the Dollar Tree. And this is my little devotion journal actually, where I put my devotion kits. And I have a video where I talk about this that I'll link below too. So anyways, I sealed it with that. And then here's the inside. Now, I did kind of an experiment. I wanted the top to look like frosted, so you could like kind of see through it, but kind of not. And so, I mean, it doesn't look very pretty from this side. But what I did was I took Mod Podge and I dyed it using Distress ink, so it made it kind of pink. And then I put confetti and sequins down, and then I Mod Podge over it, and then there was some like splotches, and so I sprayed it using Heidi Swap gold spray, and then I added some dollops of pink sparkly nail polish because it wasn't filling in all the way. So I think it looks kind of fun from this side, a little messy on this side, but hopefully Jessica likes it. Anyways, then I have a card for her. And there it goes. And inside I also put a few stencils. I was going to try and make a pocket here, but I wasn't quite sure how to do that. So if you know how to make a pocket in an embellishment box, please let me know below. I was looking for different ideas online for what to fill it with. I didn't find a ton, and so what I thought I would do, I mean, I don't know, I might make another embellishment box someday. So I made a blog post and I put like all these different ideas that I could possibly think of to put in an embellishment box, and so I'll link that blog post down below for you guys to check out. So one of the things that she said she liked was pom-pom trim, and so I had some pink and red and the silver trim, and so I cut some up and balled it up in there. And I put tissue paper underneath each of mine so that like when you flip it over, there's the tissue paper. And I saw some people using like white paper shavings, but then someone else said that all the elements just fell under it anyways. So I thought the tissue paper was a good idea, so I put that there. I thought it would be fun to put a little snack, so I put these little high-chew candies in. And this big one over here, I cut up some, because it's kind of hard because these little boxes are so small, so I cut up some pastel floral sticky notes. She said she liked that. And then I realized this box is the perfect size for some gelatos. So I put a pale blue and a white iridescent. And so I thought those would be fun for her to play with. And then over here, I just put some washi tapes. I tried to get a very varied sizes, and some with rose gold on them and florals. And then I was thinking that these little ink pads would be like the perfect size for these boxes, and so I went to Joann's and got a little, this is the sage color chalk ink. Then I added a bunch of gold sequins. I got these from Walmart, and I thought that would be fun for her. And then in here I have some different embellishment, like ephemeras, so paper pieces. So they're just like tags and tabs, and she said she liked gold and florals, so I tried to do some of that. So that is what's in here. And I put the friend one on top just because now a new friend. And she also said she liked transparent stickers, and so that's what I put in this one. So I just cut apart some of my favorite sticker books and put some transparent stickers in there, as well as 2 of my creative face stickers. And then in this one, I put some paper clips and planner charms, and she also said she liked buttons, so I put some buttons and a tassel and some clips. So that is what I put in my ephemera box swap, or no, embellishment box swap. And so be sure to check out the blog post below for more ideas, and I will be back once I get a box from Jessica. Alright, I just got Jessica's package in the mail, and I turned on my camera. All I did was take it out of the package, and let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is like the fanciest little box ever. So it has this cute little bow. That's kind of stuck on there. And a little note from her. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm so sorry for how late this is. Your box was a lovely distraction from the chaos of no power. So for those of you guys, well, none of you would know. So Jessica lives in, where is it, Texas? And they had like no power, and her husband like hurt himself, and so it was kind of a crazy week. So it arrived a little bit later than anticipated, but this notebook is so cute. It says Faith, Hope, and Love. It has really pretty gold foil. And this is so cute. Oh my goodness. It is this Tazo. I think it's like used to have tea in it. So she put these little chocolates, which look so yummy. I love chocolate. This is just so adorable. A little clip that says Explore. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. These are so cute. Creativity, the ability to use or explore or imagine designs and express ideas. Oh, and she sent this really fun confetti mix. Sequins and glitter. Well, I'm kind of scared to open it. Let's see. Ooh! This I should make a shaker with. I have a new kit in my shop all about the ocean, and I'll put a link in the description box below. It's called Seasons of Prayer Summer, Seas of Abundance, and so this would be really fun to make a shaker out of. And then she gave me these 2. Oh, these are cool. It's like little sparkly stuff. These will also match that kit also. So there's a blue one that would be cool to do for the ocean. Or I also just made a set called Oh Happy Day, and it's about like the sun and the sky and clouds. So both of these, and I'll link that kit down below too, both of these would be perfect for that. And then a cute little paper clip. I told her I love washi tape. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So these really cute bikes. And I love these popsicles. That is perfect for summer. And then this looks kind of like confetti. Oh, and there's one more, and these little stripes. Ah, so cute. Okay, and then in this little pocket, little box, there's some little buttons and bows. And then some paper ephemera pieces. This cute little paper clip that says faith, pray, amen. And I told her I loved yellow and blue. And so she included all of these colors. These are really fun little tags. Some of my favorite colors. And a little paper clip. Oh, this is so cute. And then in the last one, there's this really pretty tassel. I wonder if she made that. That's really cute. And some fun paper clips. Oh, I love this one. I'm obsessed with that. A little bird. Oh, how fun. And some more paper clips. I love this size. I feel like I've never seen that size before. So many awesome little cute things that she included. So thank you, Jessica. And be sure to check out my blog post that has the list of embellishment box ideas. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, give this video a like, and subscribe for more fun ideas for Bible journaling, happy mail, bullet journaling, creative faith videos. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!